Well, let's get started. You guys seem to like relays, so we're gonna do some relays today. Can you guys tell us some things that are good for us to eat?
Grains.
Grains, got it, yes. Vegetables, fruit, dairy.
Protein.
Yeah, protein. You're gonna pick just one paper and you're going to run back to your bags and put the appropriate food in the appropriate group over there. Since this is grocery shopping, we're gonna split into two rival grocery stores. All right, you ready? Woodman's by Sarah in the green, Festival by Callie in the gray. Go!
We got a grain. We need a dairy. Okay. Beautiful.
You know what? You guys did awesome. Oh yeah, that's good.